How to get rid of blackheads completely naturally. Our face is full of oil and bacteria. It can turn into acne and blackheads. Blackheads are very tiny bumps that surface when the pores on your skin become clogged with oil. The most common places that blackheads will appear are on the nose, chest, and on the back. When you have a blackhead, especially on your nose, it will feel like you have a giant target on you, despite it being extremely small. The best thing to do when you notice one is to try to get rid of it immediately. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, here are the following natural remedies that have been found to be the most effective for eliminating blackheads. Number 1. Cinnamon. This antibacterial remedy can be used as a mask that benefits the skin, which includes removing blackheads. To use it efficiently, mix 1 part of organic cinnamon with honey to make a paste. Apply it to the blackhead and let it sit for 15 minutes. Wash it off and moisturize your face. For safe use, apply this to your hand first and see if your skin reacts positively to it. If it does, then try applying it to your face. If you feel a burning sensation, remove it immediately. Number 2. Baking soda. You don't just need baking soda to make delicious cakes and tasty desserts. It can also be very beneficial for your skin. It neutralizes the skin's pH levels and forces it to reduce the oil production. With proper use, it could eliminate blackheads completely from your skin. To use it efficiently, mix a tablespoon of baking soda with water and make a paste. Apply it to the blackhead and let it sit for 10 minutes. Baking soda can also irritate your skin if you have sensitive skin. If you experience a negative reaction, remove it immediately. Number 3. Oatmeal. It is perfect for breakfast, and it is perfect for maintaining perfect skin and removing blackheads. It loosens the pores that are clogged, and with its powerful antioxidants, it can remove dead skin cells and soak up any excess oil. To use it, simply cook some oatmeal, let it sit for 20 minutes to cool down, and apply it to the blackhead areas. Number 4. Green tea. This powerful liquid has strong antioxidants that can help reduce excess oil and protect the skin from future issues. For full effect, boil a cup of water and remove it from the heat. Then add in 2 steeped tea bags and also add in 2 teaspoons of green tea. Let it sit for an hour and then pour it into a bowl. Dab the liquid onto the blackheads and let it sit for 10 minutes before washing it off. Number 5. Lemon juice. It contains AHA citric acid, which can remove dead skin, making this one of the best natural remedies to unclog pores. It contains high levels of vitamin C, which can help reduce scarring from blackheads and acne. To use it, add a teaspoon of lemon juice to a bowl. Take a cotton ball and dip it into the juice and apply it to the blackhead area. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then wash your face with cold water. Because lemon juice is acidic, it could irritate sensitive skin, and it can also damage your eyes if you come into contact with them. Number 6. Honey. It comes from bees. It goes great with Cheerios and pancakes, and because of its strong antioxidants, it can unclog pores, remove germs and blackheads when applied to the skin. It pulls the dirt and oil from the pores. Simply heat up a tablespoon of honey in a jar, then apply the warm honey to the blackhead areas, let it sit for 10 minutes. Number 7. Epsom salt. We know that they're terrific for sore muscles, but they can also be very beneficial for moving blackheads. Unlike the other remedies that dissolve the dead skin, Epsom salt actually pulls the skin right out. For full effect, mix 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt with a ½ cup of warm water and a drop of iodine. Stir it until you see the salts dissolve, and wait until it becomes cooler. Apply the mixture to the blackhead areas until it dries completely. Epsom salts can also irritate your skin, especially if you have an unknown allergic reaction to it. It is best to test it out on your hand before putting it on your face. Number 8. Egg whites. Egg whites are high in protein and albumin. which is very beneficial for skincare. What egg whites do for the skin is they tighten it and also minimize pores, so it can remove oil and unclog pores, which will prevent blackheads from returning. To use this on your face, apply a thin layer of egg white all over your face and then place a piece of facial tissue over the covered areas. Then place another layer of egg white onto the facial tissue. Once everything is dried up, remove the mask and rinse any remaining egg white. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.